It's January 10th, around 7 o'clock when I'm putting this together. This is your forecast for like Williamsport, Towanda, Wellsboro. Bradford is out here, State College here, Phillipsburg, Altoona, here's Harrisburg down here, Lancaster, Selinsgrove, Sunbury. This is kind of so you get an idea where everything is at. Temperatures at this point in time are all below freezing. You can see it, they're all in the 20s. So any of this precipitation that's coming through tonight is definitely going to be in the form of snow. So we got to keep that in mind. It's not a heavy snow, but this is a light, fluffy snow. And with the ground being frozen, the roads are going to be a little bit of slick if they're not treated. And back side roads and stuff like that will be a little slick because it'll get icy pretty quick because of the temperatures. Again, radar's clear around 8 o'clock tonight, still clear around 10 o'clock, but then you can start to see it creeping in around 11. A little bit of precipitation early on in the beginning. This is not a long duration storm, by the way. Okay, so there's 12 o'clock midnight. You can see it's Altoona. It's out by State College. The steadier stuff starts to come through around 2. Here's Harrisburg out here. It's getting close to Williamsport at this time. Um, and again, as it moves through, this is around 4 o'clock in the morning. If you want to call it the heaviest, the accumulating snow is to the eastern part of our viewing area here, heading up this way towards Wilkes-Barre and Berwick and Danville and out that way. The storms tend a little bit to overachieve to the north, so I think that this might do the same. We'll get down to the totals, but then this is 7 o'clock in the morning. It's beginning to back off already, and then you're just left with some flurries and some squalls off the lakes as you go through the afternoon hours. Here's around 10 o'clock. And then as you go later on in the afternoon, just the northern part of the area, western part of the area, you can see some flurries. And then as you go into Sunday morning, it's just scattered flurries and stuff like that out there. And then in the afternoon, it all kind of backs off. Um, Total snow out of this. There you go. Again, these blue areas are like 2, maybe 3 inches. The highest elevations up here in Laurel Highlands might get 3 or 4 inches of snow, maybe 5 in some certain spots. But the blue areas are basically 2 to 3 inches. And these gray areas, I'm going to say, is going to be about an inch, inch and a half. Now, I know it shows up here dusting to an inch. Don't be shocked if you get an inch, inch and a half up here too, because it just kind of tends to, like I said, a little overachieved to the north a little bit. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. Again, the roads are going to be a little slick out there, so just be careful. All right, take it easy.